Pathfinder is just a fantastic example of an industry partnership that is focused on not only bringing new talent into the door, but training their existing workforce to advance in their careers. And our partnership with Pathfinder, if we could replicate it with every single advanced manufacturing company in the state of Washington, we would do that. They are a vital partner, and we're just extremely grateful for their partnership.
So AJAC brings to our organization a lot of value. They help give our students and our employees enhance their skill sets with CNC and assembly, shipping and receiving. There's multiple programs within the AJAC organization that we send employees and students to. It's a fantastic program to where we can double up on our training that we do in-house and utilize them to help.
So as a nonprofit, AJAC has access to a wide variety of funding streams that support training and internships at companies. And so AJAC gets numerous state resources from the state of Washington to support apprenticeship training. We also get resources that help to provide the stipends for interns to train on-site at companies like Pathfinder.
It's been well over 10 years that we've been working with AJAC. They were crucial in our startup with the CNC program that we have today. Without them, we wouldn't be where we're at today. They worked with our employees, our management, and gave them the skills to operate CNC mills and run machines that we had never done before. It was a ground zero startup program, and again, without AJAC, we wouldn't be where we're at today.
Apprenticeship training that AJAC provides helps companies keep their workforce well-trained and up-to-date in new technologies, and having a partnership with AJAC gives companies a competitive edge. So they're helping their workers to learn new skills. They're also showing their workers that they value their career advancement, which is something that workers care about. And so we're a resource that is available to the entire industry to offer apprenticeship on site to your workforce.